Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading room. Today is Wednesday, February 5th. And today we had 1, 2, 3, 4 possible trades in the ES, actually a 5th trade or 4 with an add-on. And we had 1 trade in the crude oil CL, and they were all winning trades. I'm going to go through them all right now real quick since there was several of them here. The first trade that we took was a long. The price was $43.75, and it was at 8:33 a.m. Central Standard Time. We went long. I said that we were going to take profits along the way, and I expected the market to go up at least up to 550 to 6, which was where my target line was. First target. After that, after this candle right here, I said that it could go up a little bit more, but there's a good chance that it could be over because it did everything that it needed to do. So we should be out of most of our contracts, if not all of them. Before this even happened, this was actually right when the market opened. I said I wouldn't be surprised if they took it up, whooshed up, and then took it down. So we were being very careful around there. And that was a nice winner. Up to 3 points, realistically probably 2 points for most people. Now the second trade came, we had news coming at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time, and I said we had to be really careful about this, but we got short around 1742, and I said let's lock in profits. We could have gotten up to 3 points on this trade. Well, no, not quite 3 points. Yeah, about 3 points, 39 to 39 to 42. Up to 3 points. Now, right before the news came out, and given what I was seeing on the chart, I said if you want to stay in it, the next target down would be this, but it's all going to predicate on the news. So it's a total gamble. Either, you're in it with profits, can't lose on the trade, you're at break even with your last contract, or just get out down here, right when the market was at 39.50. I said just get out right here, be happy with what you got, 2 to 3 points, and we'll wait for the next trade. So either we had 2 or 3 points, or 2 or 3 points on some contracts, break even on the last one on any runners, but again that would have just been a runner. Now what happened was exactly what I said could happen. The news came out, they did not come down, they came up, and once it came up here, I said that we really got to be sure they want to take it up. People were asking me about longs. I said absolutely not, we have to wait. Once they came all the way down here, I said they're coming down and they're going to eventually hit this target here, which was here all along. And then if they got lower, we'd have even another entry. So we got short, okay, at 39.25, and the 918 candle. We got short 39.25. We took it down to the first target, which was 36 to 35.50, which is what I had on my circle the whole time. I said you want to have most of your contracts off there. If you have one left, we're going to look to see if it gets below 34. If it gets below 34, it should come to 250 to 2. I said you can add on, which would be right in this red candle here, at 34 short, okay, and do an add-on, and then you would get out of your contract still about 1.5 to 2 points down out of everything. Or you can take it as a new entry, but I said again, if you take it as a new entry, it only has to go 1.5 to 2 points. It went exactly from 34, it went exactly 2 points down to 32, and so far that's the low of the day. Now we did have lower targets if it was going to keep going, but I said it only had to go that far. Okay, came back up, came down again, and that was the end of it. So it was another winning trade, either a really nice winner with an add-on, or still about a point and a half for anybody down here if they had it as a new entry. Market came down, came back up, came all the way up, and right before the room closed, I said that there was another long at 43.75. We got long at 43.75, and we said that the market should go to 550 to 6. That's exactly where it went, same target as before. And everybody most likely was out of the trade at that point. The room closed up here. So we have higher targets up and everything like that, but the room was closed here. So most people were out of the trade at that point, and very happy, and could have gotten from 43.75 up to 7.75. It actually went up to 8.50. So we'll say up 3 to 4 points on that one. Could have been had realistically probably a couple points on that, just given the time of day. And that was another winning trade. Finally, we had a short 97.12, or I'm sorry, 97.13, okay, which happened right on this red candle here at 10:12 Central Standard Time. I said that we expect this market to get down to 97 to 96.98, and if that happens, it could bounce, it may not, but that I fully expected the market to go to at least down to 96.85, 96.80. I said that 85 would be a nice place to take profits, because from the 13, that would have been 03.93. That would have been about 27 pennies. Okay, so 85 was it. So 27 pennies on some. Some people took some off at 15 pennies, but still was a really, really, really nice trade. And I was adamant here in saying that it does not have to go any lower. Of course, we do have lower targets, but the market does not have to go any lower there. So anywhere from 15 to 27 penny winner on crude, 2 to 3 points long on this trade here. Again, anywhere from 9/4 all the way down to about 250 or so on here on this trade, either with an add-on or taking a separate trade. Some people got in here short, got out, and then got in again. So depending on how it was managed, anywhere from a couple points all the way as much as like 5 or 6 points on the whole thing. On this trade, this one only produced a couple points, and this one produced a couple points. So great day. We're going to come back and do it again tomorrow. And I want everybody to go. We offer a free trial. There's no credit card required. Go to the website. The address is right there, www.futurestradingcoach. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Until then, happy trading.